So welcome students. In this question you're given that cot inverse of root cos alpha minus tan inverse of root cos alpha is equal to x. In that case, what is the value of sin x? So first in this question, to simplify this, let us assume root cos alpha is equal to some number t. So this equation becomes cot inverse t minus tan inverse t is equal to x. Cot inverse t can be written as tan inverse of 1 by t minus tan inverse t is equal to x. This implies tan inverse of 1 by t minus t x minus y by 1 plus t into 1 by t. T into 1 by t is 1 is equal to x. This implies tan x is equal to 1 minus t square by 2t. So tan x is equal to 1 minus t square by 2t. So if tan x is this, can you find the value of sin x? So 1 minus t square by 2t. So if this is x, tan x, that is 1 minus t square, this is 2t. So from triangle method, if the opposite side is 1 minus t square, if the adjacent side is 2t, so what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is root of 1 minus t square whole square plus 4t square, that is 1 plus t square. So this implies sin x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So now you got the value of sin x. So let us back substitute this. T is equal to root cos alpha. T square is cos alpha. That is 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. So can you simplify this? Yes. 1 minus cos alpha is 2 sin square alpha by 2 by 2 cos square alpha by 2. That is equal to sin square alpha by 2 by cos square alpha by 2, which is equal to tan square alpha by 2. Thank you.